the wire. Doing what we're told, yeah, he says he will leave, but he's tied to the wire.